This video shows an excavator simulation using the EDEM MotionSolve coupling. First, set up your model in Motion View and generate your granular material in EDEM. Transfer the geometries to EDEM and run the co-simulation. Then analyze the results in Hyperview. The excavator model was created in Motion View, and it contains the motions, geometries, joints, and forces for the model. The model is ready to be run in MotionSolve. In EDEM, you have to define the granular material properties and interactions for your simulation. You can define particle size distribution and particle shape. Also, you have to set up the contact models to be used in the simulation. Add a factory geometry to generate the ball material. Start the co-simulation and select the geometries that you would like to transfer to EDEM. The main geometry is the bokeh of the excavator, as this part will interact with the granular material. EDEM will read the CAD files and generate the geometry selected. Next, generate the EDEM system in Motion View. And now the model is ready to run. MotionSolve will indicate to EDEM that the co-simulation has started. Once the co-simulation finished, you can analyze the results in Hyperview. We can estimate stress and load from ball material interaction with the equipment. In this example, we can see the stress on the equipment parts when handling two different granular materials.